Hello friends, welcome back to this session. So in this session, we are going to check the Docker push to the Docker Hub registry from the Windows system, and we'll going by the step-by-step guide here, what steps involved, and we'll see the how we can push the Docker image to the Docker Hub. So steps involved in this project, basically we require the prerequisition is the Docker desktop should be run. Then we'll create a Docker access token to configure on your system where it will take the login to the Docker Hub, and then you can push your image. So then we'll make the logging command, then we'll make the build and tag of your Docker image, then we'll do the push of image. So right now I'm in the my Docker Hub here. First we have to create a repository here. I'm just creating the repository new. I'm giving the name Docker push example, giving the same description here, just creating a repository. This will be the public repository here. The repository is created here. You can see. Let's check now our Docker engine is running here. So my Docker engine also is running, so it's fine. Let me minimize this one. Then we'll going with the personal access token. This we have to create. You can go in your profile and you can create the personal access token here. So I'm just creating the personal access token here. I'm just giving the demo. We give the read and write permission here. This personal access token, and this will create your personal access token. Okay, label is already exist. I'm giving the demo 12 number. Okay, so personal access token is created here. Just in the locker, log out with the previous user. So this will make your logout part. Okay, so logout is done. Now do the let's Docker login -u and username and your personal access token. You can pass this personal access token using the variable for your automation script. So my login is completed successfully. Now let's do our Docker build and tag. So in the same command, we'll make the build and tag here. So Docker build, I'm just giving the tag, the Docker push example here, the repository name. So this is going to build our image. You can see it's building and building is completed. Let's make the clarity, and I'm just pushing now the Docker image here. So Docker push command is called Docker image, and anyhow we have login in the Docker Hub. So this will directly push to the Docker Hub. We have given the repository name here. So I'm just pushing here. So this will push. Meanwhile, let's go to the Docker Hub so we can validate the image is pushed or not. Okay, let's check. Okay, this is done. Now let's check the tag here. Okay, so our image is pushed here. You can see this image is pushed. So if you need this same image for your development purpose, so you can use this pull command. You can copy this command and you can run here Docker pull command also. This pull command will pull your image from the Docker Hub. You can see its image has been image has been pulled. Okay, so this is overall example of how Docker works with the local Windows system, how we can push image to the Docker Hub. Let's go with the cleanup part. I'm just deleting my image tag here. So it's deleted. Let's go to the delete our repository also. So just deleting the repository. Doing the same name here for deleting. The repository is also deleted. To clean up, we have to delete this access key. I'm just deleting here. Okay. So cleanup part is also done. This all about how we can work with the Docker Hub.
If you have any question or any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.